Hi, my name is Wilfred Beaupre. I'm the president of GEO-PLUS. GEO-PLUS has been in business for 31 years. We have over 25,000 licenses sold widely. We're present into 25 countries within distributor in Europe, in Asia, in Canada, and USA. We've developed over 16 different software through the years, but now we're presenting to this INTERGEO show the Vision LiDAR software, which is a point cloud software. Unique features of this software is the object recognition. It has an AI object recognition. We can easily detect cars, windows, doors, traffic lights, poles, and put that into database and then be recognized by any other scan that you do. We also have a web share version of the software. We allow our user to simply with a browser to be able to see the point cloud in superposition of the 3D imagery, which is easily enables our user to measure the point directly from the image, the 360 image, and being able to do some measurements of width, of area, and any other things like that.